Yes, you can earn $25 or more every 15 minutes. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down everything you need to do step by step. In my previous video, I made a video about using paid ads. And in this video, I'm going to show you one of the best free traffic sources that you can use to get conversions on a daily. And this is XB Marketing with another video. And if you look right on the screen, you can see that I've made $18 today with this CPA network called cpalead. I don't really promote them that much. If you have been watching my channel for a while, you know that I focus more on cpagrip than any other CPA network. So if you want to learn how to do this strategy, then keep watching. You can promote any offer of your choice on this cpalead. All you need to do is go to cpalead.com and just register. It's very easy. They will approve you instantly. So if you click on offers, you'll be able to choose any country of your choice, and you can also choose the type of offers that you want to promote. If you want to promote email submit and surveys, pin submit, or if you want to promote mobile install or trial offers. And you can also choose the devices you want to promote from. So once that pops up, then you can choose any offer that you want to promote. So if you click on any of these offers, as you can see, this offer's payout is 58 cents, and they want their conversions from only Android device, and it converts on email submit. So it's the same thing with cpagrip, and as you can see, the country they want their leads from or conversion is from the United States only. So now if you go to cpagrip, okay, as you can see here is the same thing. You can choose any country of your choice. You can choose the category of your choice. So once you're on cpagrip, then you want to click on type. As you can see, these offers above here are for desktops or desktop device only, while this one at the bottom is for mobile. And it doesn't matter, it could be Android or iOS. It works for all mobiles. And you can see this one here is specific to only Android device, and this one below here is specific to only iOS device. So I always recommend you promote mobile all, because you don't want to lose conversions from your traffic. I only recommend, if you want to go for this, either Android or iOS, I recommend if you are doing paid traffic. So you can pick any of these offer of your choice. So let's take this Netflix for example. The same thing too, if you are on cpalead, you're just going to click on any offer. So if you click on any offer, they are going to give you your link. So one of the best traffic sources that you can use to get started as a beginner is Pinterest. And as you can see right here, if you come to similarweb.com, you can see Pinterest has almost 1 billion views per month. Over 40% of its traffic is from United States alone. You can see this is huge. If you can get a chunk of this traffic to your landing page, you can imagine how much you will be making per day. And the reason why CPA marketing is awesome is because it's easier to have someone submit their email or download an app, as opposed to having them pay for a product or services before you make money. So you can see CPA marketing is one of the easiest way to make consistent income online. Now, the next thing you want to do, you want to create a Pinterest account. If you don't have one already, you can just go to pinterest.com and create an account for yourself. So once you've created an account on Pinterest, the next thing you want to do is you want to go to Canva, and I'm going to show you how to make this type of image for absolutely free on Canva. You don't need to even get the premium version of Canva. You can do this for absolutely free. So now you're going to go to canva.com. So once you're on canva.com, you want to click on this social media. So you want to keep scrolling until you find where it says Pinterest pin. So you want to click on the Pinterest pin. So once it opens up, Pinterest is going to give you a lot of templates that you can work with. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. As you can see, this one right here is free. So you're going to click on this one. Now that this template is popped up, so we are going to go back to the offer. Since we are taking this cpagrip offer as an example, so you can see it says get a year subscription to Netflix. You can just basically copy that Or you can just get creative and write something different, just like I did here. Get a year of Netflix. Alright, so as you can see now, we have our heading. It says get a year of Netflix, and this subheading says watch anywhere, cancel anytime. So the next thing you want to do is we want to swap this image out. You can go to Google and type in Netflix. Since we are working with a mobile offer, majority of traffic from Pinterest is definitely mobile. So you can see there are a lot of images here that you can choose. A lot. So you can just choose this image. This is the one I used. Okay, so you just want to download the image or any other image that you like. This is also a good image that you can use too. So once you have the image of your choice, you want to go back to Canva, and then you want to click on this upload, and you want to choose where you saved the image. So once you have the image, the next thing you want to do, you want to click on this and delete this. So let's delete that too. And then you want to drag that image and you want to drop it here, just like that. And the next thing you want to do now is you want to change the color of this text. You want to change it to red, or you can use any color of your choice, but I prefer red. So you give this red. And one more thing you need to do, you want to go to elements, and you want to drag this shape, okay, just to make the text stand out and easier to read. As you can see, it's easier to read on this background, and you can adjust it. You can adjust the size if you like, and the image too, you can play around with the size and the look. So I think everything looks great. So once you're done with the design, you can just save it. Click on this dot here and download it. As you can see, it's downloading right here. So once you have that downloaded, then you want to go to your Pinterest account, and then you want to click on this plus icon, and then you want to click on pin, and then you want to choose the pin you just downloaded and upload it. As you can see, it says get a year of Netflix, watch anytime, cancel anytime. And then you want to give it the title, get a year subscription to Netflix. You can just get creative and type in a little bit description of the offer in there. So I just made a write-up that you can use. You can use your own description depending on the offer you're working with. As you can see, this one is very, very captivating. Like as it says, stop, seize this opportunity to watch Netflix movie and TV series non-stop for a whole year. As you can see, the write-up is short and sweet. You don't need to write a lot of grammar and everything. Just keep it simple and people understand what you are talking about. So the next thing you want to do is you want to grab your link. You don't want to direct promote the offer because Pinterest is going to shut down your account if you do that. So you want to create a landing page for that offer. You can use a paid or free landing page builder. You can use Google Sites, or you can use card.co or any other landing page builder of your choice. So you want to paste the link here, your landing page builder link here. So once you paste that, so it's going to ask you to create a board. So if you don't have a board, you can just click on create board and name it Netflix. So once you name it and you've done that, then you click on save. So as you can see now, it's saved the pin. So now let's see what it looks like. So as you can see, this is the post here. You can see everything works. If they come to the page and click on this heading, they will be brought to the landing page. You can see it's very, very simple, and you can start collecting free leads from Pinterest. So now if I pull up my calculator real quick, the offer pays $2.59. So let's say you get around 30 people signing up. As you can see, this is about $80, and these people don't need to purchase anything at all. All they need to do is submit their email, and that's it. So you can do this method for as many offers from either cpalead or cpagrip, whatever network you are a member of, and you can start collecting free leads. As I showed you earlier, majority of Pinterest traffic is from the United States. As you can see, over 40% of the traffic is from United States alone. So if you find any value at all in this video, please smash the like button. I really appreciate it. And if you are new to the channel, of course, feel free to look around the channel. There are a lot of awesome content that you can learn a lot from, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.